Hi, I'm Robin. Welcome to this video to introduce Alpha Tracker release 37.5. There are three things I want to highlight for you. So there's the first one, which is the new look to the system. The second one, which is our new intelligent search feature. And then lastly, we've got a big update to Alpha Draw. So let's have a look first at the new look of the system. Alpha Tracker's got a whole new look. Hope you like it. It's a new colour scheme, it's a new style, it's faster to open your most frequently used options. And also there's this feature, which is this new plus button. Now plus gives you quick access to all of the options that you need to create a new record, whether it's a new client, a new project, a new inquiry or quote. You can do it straight from the plus button now. So that's another big time saver. Notice also that we've renamed a couple of menu options. So the sales option is now renamed, and also you'll find some new options in the resources section, different ways of accessing your diary, so including the staff calendar, map scheduling, which we introduced last time but it's now been improved, and the company calendar. Hope you like that. That's Alpha Tracker's new look and feel. Hope you like that, and now let's take a look at the new Intellisearch. Let's have a quick look at the new intelligent search feature. So here it is, top left. You could always use this for searching the menu. So if I, for example, started typing calendar, this brings up the menu options with the word calendar in, saves you hunting through the menu. But the new feature is that you can now type anything into this box, a client code, a project number, a quote number, even a site name, and the system will automatically find whatever matches. So if I look for, say I'm interested in 37 Orchard Drive, I can literally type 37 Orchard Drive in that box now, and it will find every reference. So here it's found 37 Orchard Drive in the projects. So we've got lots of jobs that have taken place at 37 Orchard Drive. We've also found it in some quotes. The 3 open quotes there for 37 Orchard Drive, and there's the site itself. Because there's only one record there on the site list, it's opened it up for us in site view. And that works for anything. So you can literally type anything now into that top left hand box, and it will open the appropriate project, quote, site, or even client. So if I type in a project number directly, then that's going to take us straight to that project number. And here we go, there's the project coming up on screen. And it's just a much quicker way rather than going into individual menus and using the individual search boxes, which you can still do, of course, but this we think is going to be a much easier way, especially for occasional users of Alpha Tracker in your business. This, by the way, is set to open everything that matches. So if you type in that, as I did with the Orchard Drive, if you type in Orchard Drive and it matches projects, quotes, sites, and even clients potentially, it will open all of them. There is a system setting if you want to use it so that it opens the most likely match. So if you type in a project, it will find the project first and won't open anything after that. So if you'd rather it did that, it's a little bit quicker. Obviously, if it's not having to open every tab, then that's just a simple system setting. Hope you like that. That's our new intelligent search feature. I think that's going to be a really big time saver. And finally, let's have a look at Alpha Draw and all the updates we've put into that. Let's look at some of the changes here in Alpha Draw. First thing you'll notice is a whole new set of arrows. These would be great for the surveyors on site, being able to highlight where they took samples or cross-reference samples, or even where they're presumed items. So a whole range of arrows, different lengths, different colours and different directions. These are all new. Now if I show you the next feature, we'll look at templates. So templates allows a surveyor to create a drawing at one property, save it as a template, then they can load that drawing for use in subsequent surveys. Especially useful if you've got similar properties on the same road, and you can use these templates in the same day, or you can use them across multiple days, and the surveyor will get a list of templates and they can draw on, which will be a big time saver when drawing properties of a similar style. The last thing I'll show you in this quick update video is how to use the new feature where the sample tags can be auto color coded. And again, this will be a big time saver, especially for your admin teams. So here I'm going to draw on sample number 2. So this is me working as the surveyor. And there is sample 2, so that's now tagged, and I'll also put an arrow on just to show where I've taken that. That's all the surveyor needs to do. Now once the samples themselves have been analysed by the lab, in your admin team they can now view the survey data directly from within the drawing. Once they can then see which are the positive and negative samples. In fact, both of these are positive. Look, that was andesite and that was chrysotile. By clicking that auto color code button, the tags have gone the correct colors to show whether or not they were asbestos. So that should be a huge time saver, especially on larger drawings where there are lots of samples taken. So there you go, so there's an introduction to the changes in this version of Alpha Draw. We've got another set of updates coming out in a couple of weeks, so keep an eye on the blog for that. I hope that was useful. So there you go, hope you like the update. Kim's release notes will be on the website within the next day or two, so you can take a look at them. Do download them and show them to UCAS or your accreditation body wherever you are in the world. And look out for release 38. That will be coming up in May or June. Big update, release 38. So keep your eye open for that one. And if there's anything you'd especially like to see in that version, then do let us know. Thanks very much. See you soon.